sa mga hindi naka-attend, okay lang. Thank you po to our wonderful suppliers for making this party a success. Firstly, a heartfelt thanks to Lights and Sound crew for setting the tone for the evening and kept the energy high all night long. Next, thank you to Kuya Ray and the Potobot crew for providing the fun and memorable moments of the night. I am sure that they have captured the joyous atmosphere and gave everyone a take-home piece of the night. Thank you to Winalin Street as well for making the prettiest cakes. Lastly, thank you to This Delicacies, our food supplier, for providing delicious dishes. Yung lasagna po yung favorite ko. Thank you to Ate Joanna for leading the organization and programs of the party. Thank you as well to Ate Wayne, Kuya Oliver, Kuya Owen, Tita Glenda, Lola Glory, and Ate She, and to everyone else who helped organize the party. Finally, I'm especially very grateful for my daddy and mama for raising me to become who I am today. Because of them, I always feel very because of them, I always feel very comfortable and happy to express myself with the way I dress, do my makeup, and enjoy things. Thank you po, Mama and Daddy, for throwing me this party. I will forever love you. I love you.
Yeah, thank you so much. At palakpakan naman po natin si Micah on her 80th birthday. At ang pamilya Idhara sa Ilaos Puso po nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta, dumalo at nakisaya. Palakpakan po. Once again, I am your host Arna. Thank you so much. Yan, ang lahat po ay naliyan sa lahat para sa isang malaking photo opportunity kasama si Maida.